Welcome to Reservety tutorials. In this episode, we will show you how to block specific dates and times in your rental calendar using Reservety. This is essential for managing availability, whether you are closing during certain hours, preventing bookings on specific dates, or setting recurring blocked schedules. We will cover 3 real-world examples. Those are blocking specific time on a single date, blocking recurring time slots like every Sunday, and applying these restrictions to all products, not just one product. To demonstrate the process, we will use trailer rental website. This is one of our demo sites. Let's say we want to block a period between 5 p.m. and 7 p.m. on April 20th. Right now, the time is not blocked. To demonstrate that, we will select 20th. Now select 5 p.m. and we will select 20th again for the booking ends. Then we will select 7 p.m. as an ending time. As you can see, we can easily book this trailer between 5 p.m. and 7 p.m. on April 20th. Now our goal is to make this period non-bookable or block this time from the booking system. The process is very easy. To do that, go ahead and log into your rental dashboard, click on View Admin, then click on Settings and click on Date Ranges. Now we need to enter a new date range. So click on Add New Date Range. Write a name for your new date range. We will say April 20th. We wrote April 20th because we want to block 2 hours on this date. And the hours are between 5 p.m. and 7 p.m. So before we adding a time, we need to add a date. Go to the range type and click on the drop-down menu. Since we want to block only one day, we will select dates, exact, no repeat. If we want to select April 20th, we will click on Start Date, then select 20th. Now, for the ending date, we will select 21st because when you set up like this, it's considered one day. The system will automatically determine the time when we enter the blocking time. For now, we entered the blocking date, so we will go ahead and click on Publish. Now, let's add a specific time on April 20th for blocking. As we mentioned earlier, we want to block between 5 p.m. and 7 p.m. So we need to create a new time range for the specific time as well. Earlier we added only a date. Now let's add the time. Click on Add New Date Range. In this case we will name it 5 p.m.-7 p.m. Now go to the range type, click on the drop down menu and we will select times, repeats every day. And the start time will be 5 p.m. Since the system uses 24-hour formatting, we will select 17. The 17 will be 5 p.m. Click on Select. Now let's select the end time. Click on the field and we will click on the time. And in this menu, 19 will be at 7 p.m. Now let's go ahead and click Select. Now let's click on Publish. As you see, we added 2 time ranges, one for the date and the other one for the time. Now let's go back to the time ranges page and confirm newly added time ranges appear on that list. Go ahead and click on Settings, click on Date Ranges. As you can see, newly added time ranges appears on our list. Now we need to plug in these ranges to our blocking date system. For that, go ahead and click on Rentals under the Settings. Click on Advanced Dates. You can block dates entering your ranges in both of these sections, but we will prefer to use Global Disabled Dates section because it gives more control. First, go to the Select section under the date, click on the field, and type the name of your range. First, we will select April 20th. We selected the date. Now we need to select the time. Click on the field again and select 5 p.m. and 7 p.m. In this section, you can apply the blocking time and date for the specific category or a product, even the warehouse. For example, if you want to apply the blocking date for the specific category, for example, we will click and these are the categories from our rental business. For example, if you want to apply blocking dates for camping, you can select camping. If you want to apply it for utility trailers, you will click on utility. If you want to apply the blocking date and time for the specific product, you will click on the select field and you will select the name of the product. For example, you can apply it for 18-inch car hauler trailer, and you can apply it for 5x8 single axe utility trailer, 6x10 enclosed cargo trailer, and more. Since we want to block time for all of the products, we will leave these fields empty and we will click on Update. Now let's check whether the system blocks the time. Let's go ahead and click on View Site and click on Book Now, and we will select the same product, which is this trailer here. Now let's select the booking start date. click on the calendar icon, and let's select the 20th. And as you can see, 5 p.m. is not present on the list because we blocked it. And so is 6 p.m. Here's another thing. If you want to include 7 p.m. for the blocking time, we should edit the time range and change it from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Once we do that, 7 p.m. will be blocked as well. What we showed here is a blocking only one time or a one date. Let's say you want to block a time between 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. every Sunday. In this case, we will go back to the date range settings again. Go to the dashboard, click on settings, click on date ranges, click on add new date range, add title. We will name it every Sunday. Go to the range type, click on the field. We will select weekdays because we want the blocking repeat every week. So click on weekdays. Now let's select the weekdays, click on it, and we will select Sunday from the drop down menu. And you can add other days as well. In this case, we want to apply the blocking time. Go ahead and click on publish. Now let's add the time range on Sunday that we want to block. Click on add new date range. We will write 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. Go to the range type, click on the field, select times repeats every day. Now let's enter the start time. 1 p.m. will be 13 in our time format. Click on select. Now let's select the end time. For example, if you want to include 3 p.m. in the blocking time, you should select 4 p.m. at the end time. Let's say we want to include 2 hours and we will be open at 3 p.m. So we will select 3 p.m. In our time format, 3 p.m. will be 15. Click on select. Once we enter the time range, go ahead and click on publish. Now let's input these time ranges to our blocking system. Go ahead and click on rentals under settings. Click on advanced dates. Scroll down and click on add global disabled date. Select the time range. First we will select Sunday, write Sunday, and system finds every Sunday here. Now click on the field again, select 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. Again, we want to apply this time range for all products. If you want to apply it for a specific category, you will click on this select box and you will select category. If you want to apply it for product, you can click on the field under the product and select the product name or names, and you can apply it for a specific warehouse. In this case, we want to apply it for all warehouses and for all products. So we will click on update. Go ahead and click on view site and click on any trailer. We will make our test on this trailer here. Click on the trailer and let's select the booking start date. So we will select this Sunday here. It will be April 19th. Click on 19th. As you can see, the time between 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. is blocked every Sunday. This completes our tutorial how to block dates and time on Reservety. Thank you for your attention and we will see you in the next tutorials.